open.
Yeah.
Open.
Open.
Open your gift.
Open sesame. Oh, very nice.
Are you happy, Rikatuts?
Yes.
Now you have iPhone. iPhone sky blue. You can see at the back
Mm-hmm.
your favorite color.
It's nice, nice. Good.
It's nice, Rikatuts.
Same lang sa ito, madam.
Many cameras.
Mas
Two
ano
cameras.
yan.
You can make now many
Mas
videos
mahaba.
with Joey.
Wow, I have iPhone now.
No, finally iPhone.
But I don't know how to use this
Yes, you
iPhone.
need to try now. This is the... The honey will show you maybe. Uh-huh.
It's nice.
Let's see, nice. They're beautiful
In
design.
Rikatuts, you can go down. It's possible to put ano ba? Yung salamin.
Yung protector.
Protector.
Diyan sa
Ah.
iPhone. Meron to?
Wala eh.
Magpapalagay. Okay na yung papalagay lang.
Okay na yun. Lagay lang, Rikatuts, ah.
Para hindi magasgas.
So now you have iPhone. Now you can send message good.
Yeah, in our group of iPhone. So you will now know what is
And
iPhone
you have,
application.
you have a fast charger. You can check this one. So what you can say to your Darik?
Dari, thank you. Thank you,
It's
sir. Thank you, madam.
It's not your birthday yet.
Yeah.
It's for good work, of course, just bonus.
Rikatuts, because you are a long time to us and very loyal. You deserve this very expensive gift.
Yes, of course.
I have wallet
Now you can be very rich if tomorrow.
Pail-bill
Wow!
Oy, this is your holiday.
Baka nandyan din yung akin.
Wala pa
That is
dyan
already
yung
full of money.
She was very shocked. Oka, shume. Wow! O, diba?
Diba may laman na? May laman na. Wow!
You can enjoy it in Italy, na? Huh?